Hi guys, how are you? I hope all you are doing good. So we have gone through the attributes and we have done some coding part. Now it's time to install some dependencies so that it can increase our efficiency. So you can click here and you can install the auto close, so that when you write the so this one. So when you write any tag, so it will automatically getting closed. You do not have to close it manually every time. Then you have to write here auto rename. You have to install this one as well, because when you rename the starting tag, then the end tag will also be get renamed, so you do not have to rename it again and again. And the third, as we have already I think installed, that is a live server. You can also install that because that is very important for us. So you have to install these three dependencies auto close. So keep in your mind that you have to install this dependency, that is auto close, auto rename, and live server. So let me show you how it works. So let's write it a.html, and you have to write the doc. Now first is the auto close tag. So first, if I write p and I click enter, then it will also getting closed. And when I'm renaming this, if I'm renaming to span, as you can see, or to div, then this will, the ending tag, the closing tag will also be renamed by itself. And when we have to go to the web browser, then we have to click just here, go live. So I hope all three dependencies are clear to you why we have installed. Thanks. I will meet in the next video with the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.